Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to download and install custom LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I am in the color view, and under creative we've got looks, and these are all your LUTs. These are the ones that it's probably going to be a mixture of pre-installed ones, in my case also ones that I've installed. But I want to add more. So first thing you need to do is get the LUTs that you want. So in my case, I went to Motion Array and I found a free LUTs for Premiere. I downloaded it. Once you download it, you'll get a zip folder. You're going to extract that zip, and I'm just going to extract them in the same place. Now you can use them from here if you want. So for example, I'm on a Windows machine, so I don't want the Mac one, I want the 10 free LUTs one. I can go and grab this and start using it right now. So if I go into Premiere Pro, I go back to Creative and I go Custom. And I'm just going to grab that. And it'll work fine. No problem. What will happen, however, though, as soon as I close Premiere Pro and relaunch it, that LUT will not be here anymore. So I want to put it within a folder that way Premiere will automatically grab it along with all of the rest of these. So I'm going to do one thing first, and this is important to pay attention to. You might not need to do this, but in this case I'm going to, and you might not see this in some other YouTube videos. So notice that the file type is a .3dl. Well, we've already established a .3dl file will work, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change this to a .cube file. So I'm just going to, right at the end of where the dot is, just change where it goes from 3DL to cube, hit yes, and I'm just going to do it on the first two so that you can actually see why I'm doing this. Okay, so you've got the LUT that you want to use. I'm going to copy them, and now I'm going to go to my C drive, Program Files, Adobe, and I'm going to choose my most recent version of Premiere Pro, in my case 2020. Go to Lumetri, LUTs, and I want Creative. So I'm going to pause here just real quick so you can take a look at this if you want, and freeze the video. So now you have that program path. Notice in here, this is why I changed them to cubes. Notice these are all .cubes. Okay, I'm going to just right click and paste them in, and I'm going to hit continue on all of these. So it pastes everything in there. I'm going to jump back so we can look at these file types again. So we've got two here, Hipstagram and Hipstall. One's a .cube, one's a .3dl. So if you go in and look for either of those, notice we're not going to see them. What you need to do is you need to close Premiere Pro, and I don't want to save my changes, and relaunch it. Okay, now when I go in there, so remember the two I'm looking for are Hipstagram and Hipstawash. Scroll down. Hipstagram is showing, but not the Hipswash. And the reason being is because I changed that file type to the .cube file type. Premiere Pro automatically loads anything that's in a .cube file type, but does not automatically load anything that's in a different file type. And that's why I did that. So it does work with the .3dl, but it won't automatically load. I've personally never found any problem with changing that file type. If somebody's watching this and knows a reason why you shouldn't do that, definitely leave a comment and let us know. But like I said, it seems to work fine for me. And once you have it in that .cube file type into the Premiere Pro folder, it will load every time and you can use it. As always, hope you found this useful. Have a good day.